Hello class! I hope you enjoyed our tree of action activity earlier. Seeing your promises on the tree reminds me that even small steps can grow into bigger change. But before we end our lesson for today, I want us to reflect more deeply. Why does protecting biodiversity matter, especially here in the Philippines? And what happens if we don't take care of it? And how can each of us help? Let's take a few minutes to explore these important questions together. After the video, I'll be asking you to answer some guide questions to check your understanding. So please listen carefully. Biodiversity means the variety of life on Earth, like the plants, animals, insects, birds, and even tiny organisms we cannot see. And even it comes to the biodiversity, the Philippines is the one of the richest countries in the world. We are known as a biodiversity hotspot, meaning we have 1,000 of unique species found else like the Philippine eagle, the biggest eagle in the world, the tarsier, one of the smallest primates, and our colorful coral reefs, home of 1,000 of marine species. Biodiversity gives us food, clean water, medicine, and protects us from natural disasters. But sadly, it also under serious threat. Here in the Philippines, many species are disappearing, and it's mostly because of human actions. Some of the main reasons are habitat destruction, like illegal logging and mining. Did you know that only around 24% of our forests remain? That means animals lose their homes. Second, pollution, especially plastic waste in our river and oceans. Just look at the Manila Bay or the Pasig River. Our marine life suffers because of the trash. The climate change, which brings stronger typhoons, rising sea levels, and floods. This affects both people and wildlife. Lastly, the overfishing and wildlife trade, when animals are hunted or captured illegally. When a species disappeared, it doesn't only harm nature, it affects our food, our health, and our economy, and even our safety. But there's a hope. We Filipinos are known for our resilience and love for the environment. One powerful way to protect biodiversity is by combining indigenous knowledge and modern science. Our indigenous communities like Aitas, Lumads, and Igorots have been caring for our forest, river, and mountains for generations. They know how to live with nature, not against it. When we respect their wisdom and use modern tools like science, technology, and education, we create a strong solution to protect our environment. Remember Lai's story from earlier? She showed us how respecting tradition and applying scientific knowledge together can save our forests and wildlife. You don't have to be a scientist or government official to make difference. Every small action matters. Now, here in the Philippines, you can join a barangay cleanup drive, say no to single-use plastics, plant trees or mangroves in your community, support laws that protect the environment, listen to and respect indigenous groups who protect our forest. Now class, our tree of action was just the beginning. The real change starts when we live out those promises in school, at home, and in our communities. Together, we can protect the Philippine biodiversity. We can create a healthier, safer future not only for animals, plants, but ourselves and to our next generation of Filipinos. Now, it's your turn to reflect. Please take your paper and answer the 5 guide questions. Your answer will show your understanding, but more importantly, they will remind you of the responsibility we all share as caretakers of our beautiful country. Now, here are the 5 guide questions. Thank you for listening, participating, and committing to be a protector of biodiversity for the Philippines and for the planet. Thank you.